Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video I want to talk about how you can monetize a very small audience and how you can make more money with that audience. So you don't need to have those 1 million or 100k or 200k subscribers or followers in order to make a big money. So I'll cover everything in this video, so please make sure you stay till the end. And also, if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Sachin and I'll be creating content around how you can grow your online business with affiliate marketing, how to create sales funnel, and also I'm going to document my journey on this channel. So please be sure to hit that subscribe button. So let's get started with today's topic. So once I started with my online business, I thought I need to have a large audience in order to make that big money. But the truth is even you can monetize your very small audience, and I'm going to talk about few tips that will actually help you monetize that audience. So talking about point number one is you need to pitch soon, and you need to pitch frequently, and you need to pitch you don't have to be sorry while selling your offer. So this may sound in my previous videos I always talked about value model and how you need to provide more value, you need to connect with the person, then only you're gonna make that offer. So it may sound little different here in this video because I'm going to talk about how you can monetize that audience that you created with your value model. So what I meant by pitch soon is once you make that video, or once you create that blog post, or once you send that email, so you don't have to wait let that customer go by just by consuming that content. You need to have a clear call to action in the end of your video, or in your email, or in your blog post. So that is what I meant by pitch soon. You don't have to be just pitching everything once everybody comes to your page. You don't have to sell. All you need to do is just whatever value you have created for that particular day, you need to have a clear call to action for that content. What happens with this is once that person consumes that content, and he will know what to do next. Once you make that offer, no matter if somebody is coming to this video, in the end or in the beginning, I'm going to talk about I am going to put that visitor to my sales process. So that's how you need to work in order to monetize your small audience, because once you have that clear call to action, the person who will be consuming that content will be aware about you, and he will have a clear set of action item that what he needs to do next. So that's why you need to pitch soon, and you need to pitch frequently, because because once your audience start consuming your content, in the between, or in the end, or in the initially you start pitching your offer, what happens is your audience become used to it. I'm gonna get pitched every now and then. It's a kind of psychological thing. Why I'm talking this is because you need to do this from the day one. But if you don't do that, you waited till I hit my 10k subscribers, so I'm not gonna monetize my channel, or I'm not gonna offer anything to my audience, you're doing the wrong thing. Because you have built those 10k people, and after some time, once you start pitching, it may create that uncomfortness with you because they are not used to it. So it's important that you pitch frequently, and also you don't have to be sorry while selling anything, because this has personally happened with me initially. Once I was selling, I was charging so and so amount, and I was feeling why this person should pay this much amount to me. That thought you need to remove, because of course there is one more topic comes in picture here. You want to choose the right product, affiliate product, in order to that will actually help their problem, and you need to believe that that product is going to solve your audience problem. Once you have this in your mind, you'll talk confidently about the product, and actually you can sell it with more confidently, and you don't have to be sorry in selling anything, because everywhere it's a business. So business happens in the exchange of money, you give something there. So that's what you're doing. So in order to make it happen, you want to choose a right product which can actually solve your problem of your audience. So anybody who is starting the journey, once you gain a new subscribers, once you to your email list, or once you gain a new subscribers to your video, or once somebody joins your Facebook group, you need to provide value as well. You need to have the clear call to action. It could be a email opt-in, or a product purchase. So this way you can actually even if there are 10 people, you can monetize those 10 people. You don't have to wait for the 10k people. And this is now point number one. And the point number two is like you need to pitch high ticket offers. So the high ticket offers may vary from person to person. Some people believe that $500 is a high ticket product. Some people believe that $10,000 is a high ticket product. So no matter wherever you are, like in my terms, on an average, I would say you need to have that 500 to 1000 to 3000 is a high ticket margin, like in my terms, because it varies person to person. So what happens with high ticket offers is, like I have spoken about about this in my previous videos, it gives you more stability to your business, and it takes some amount of effort in order to sell a high ticket product. Only the cost per acquisition may be high, but as long as the profit margin is good, like you want to promote high ticket products. With high ticket products, what happens is, first thing, you meet your expected goal very fast, or maybe you exceed that expectation very fast, and you can take half amount of that high ticket commissions and put it back into the system in order to grow your business much faster. Like if, let's say, if you're selling something of a $5 product, like what happens, like in order to make a full-time income, like in order to meet those Facebook ads or Google ads budget break even, like it's going to take a lot of time. So I prefer like going for high ticket offers. Like I'm not saying the low ticket doesn't work, it works, but it's advised that you go for high ticket offers. So this is point number two, because with a small audience, even if you have 10 customers, if you are selling something for $500 per sale, like you still make $5,000. That's how you make big chunks of money. You can consider many channels also out there. Like there are people with 1 million subscribers. There's a people with only 5K subscribers. They both make the same amount of money, because it's the way they monetize their audience. So point number two is like you want to promote high ticket offers. And point number three is like like you want to create content in order to be, that content should be monetized. What I meant by that is, like you don't want to create such a content like you just create it and the viewer comes and consumes that content, or reads that blog and reads that email and doesn't take any action. You don't want to do that, because you're losing out on a lot of things here, because you need to plan your content in such a way. For example, I'll take this video as the content example. Like once I make this video, I will have a call to action in the end. Like I will ask you to go ahead and check out the free training that my mentor is providing, or the program that actually helping others in order to succeed. Like I'm gonna tell people, like that way what happens, like this content is just a place where, in order to get the right set of people around you and who can benefit from the product that you're going to offer to them. So I'll talk about this in with a simple example. Let's say if somebody is at point A and he wants to reach to the another point that is B, and the product that you're going to offer is actually the bridge between those two points. So for example, somebody wants to do high ticket affiliate marketing or recurring commission affiliate marketing. So I have a product that can actually help that person, and he can actually reach that point B much faster with that product, and I know that product is valuable and it is going to help them. So that is the gap you need to fill in as an affiliate marketer, like in order to help that person, like reach from point A to point B. So in order to boost that, like in order to fill that gap, you want to create the pillars in between, that is your content. So once you start producing content around that topic, the audience is going to come around you, and once they are there, like if you start pitching early, like if you tell people to go ahead and check this out, if you have consumed so much value, because people already have so much value with your with you, they have already consumed so much value, they will not hesitate to go ahead and check that, and you don't want to miss out that opportunity by just providing value, and you don't want to become a content machine all the time. So these are the major things like that will actually help you grow your business much faster. And also don't think it in other way, like you're gonna just pitch every single time. No, like I'm assuming that you're already following that model, that is value model, which I explained, and that you are implementing with these topics that will actually help you monetize your small audience much effectively. And I know on this channel I don't have much subscribers, like right now it is only 67. I don't know how much it will be by the time you're watching this video, but for sure, like, this is generating me a small amount of income. Like, I'm not waiting for this 10k or 1000k subscribers in order to make that monetize this audience. So I hope you're getting value, like what I'm trying to say here. And if you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section. And also be sure to check out the program that is Work with Sebastian, which is created by my mentor, that will actually help you start with your affiliate marketing business, where you can earn both high ticket and recurring commission programs, and you're gonna get all the training that is required to be in successful affiliate marketing. And whatever I spoke in this training, like how you can implement it by yourself, and also you're going to get all the resources, that proven sales funnel, email swipes, ad copies, everything you're going to get in this program. So please be sure to check out the link in the description. And if you, I'm sure like you won't regret the decision for going for that program. This program has changed a lot in me in terms of momentum, in terms I can see results in my business. So I'm sure that will definitely help you, and be sure to check it out. And I think that's it for today, and I'll see you on the next one.